Spot number 7. Stop the music. And somebody get me a doctor. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! What a pack to sweep! Pickles! Oh boy!
Another one.
Oh, where's DJ Khaled to let us know another one? Oh my goodness, folks, I love this top-down view because you can see it as clear as day.
Wow.
A man named Magic, a bird, and a doctor.
Blue light sold out.
And the blue light sold out, but hold the phone, we gotta lock in right here. Oh! Oh! It might be, it could be the cleanest bird Erving Magic that my eyes have ever seen. Left to right. Boston Celtics forward, number 33, Larry Bird. At guard, for the Philadelphia 76ers, averaging 26.9 points per game, Julius Erving. I'm so hyped up, I want to just jump to the end. And at guard, number 32, the greatest point guard to ever walk the face of the earth, Erving Magic Johnson. Oh my goodness. Spot number 7. They say 7's a lucky number for a lot of reasons. And I tell you what, if there's a list out there, a booklet or some type of stone tablet that they're engraving, this has got to be a reason. Don't worry, Dyson. We got protocols around here, and we're going to make sure that we follow them to a T. Dot your I's, cross your T's, and be sure to slam on those exclamation points because it is Larry Bird, Julius Erving, and Magic Johnson!